Okay, let's review the GitLab design system, which is called Pajamas. Okay, I'm not sure when this was last updated, but it doesn't have variables yet. I have some colors, some typography. I don't know why do I need to update. People need to start using external components for this. But it looks like a pretty robust design system with a lot of options. And you can just start and pre-build applications right away, which is nice. Also some things that I don't think are supposed to be like this. Okay, we're gonna ignore that for now. And then you have a bunch of components, pretty well stocked design system. Surprisingly pretty good. But the UI looks interesting, especially if you need like a high contrast style with plenty of examples on how to use this in place and stuff. I actually like this, quite a lot of elements that I haven't seen necessarily in the other design systems. Obviously, everything is going to be well done and then you can customize as needed. I'm curious, do they have any examples? I guess not really, just for like empty states and stuff. Skeleton loading no longer. These are looking good. I don't know what happened to the other ones, and it looks like they had breakpoints and stuff. Once they update this to variables, I assume that's gonna work as well. I haven't seen a light and dark mode yet, although they have themes here. I don't know if it applies the actual overall theme or is just changing like this purple and stuff. But all in all, if you have a very high dense, especially like IT application, like if you're doing AI model stuff, I think this could actually be also very good. So yeah, good job.